Lona lana modimo a ga dama o kae o na sa tsebe o kae. Modimo a ga dama o kae o na re ke tswa mane mo khitseng re kopane. O ntse le busy mara o sa le mane. Satani hantse motho tshimong o montsha ho monga tshimo. O nna bana ba montsha ho monga tshimo. Ana motho a qabane le monga tshimo wa Isabel. Tlamela a itwanele. Ha lapile wa ipuella. Go mqabane le monga tshimo. Mara ya tseba le monga tshimo. O tloella batho ba. O lata ya mbitsitseng. Nobody told me that the road will be easy. But I don't believe you brought me this far to leave me. Alex, I get the phone call. I can only talk. I can phone the batho. I can imagine I can do teaching. Ke tswa tloa ka ile o pa ke bula mahlo o tlola message le sa motsebeng a moruti nka o thusa ka eng kana go ke re maskete tlo bona modimo wa rona ha ke ke kopa ke rile kana le yone mosiri e batlang for ka jeno hobane ha ona le selekane le mogatshimo ha o tlabe o itshenye. Maintain your friendship with God. By the way, Husani, I'm going back. I get level 2. I'm going back to my recordings. Call Lesedi FM. Now, which means the whole September month it's mine. I'll be doing Machimalodi Tuesdays and Thursday the whole month, and I'll be doing the last week of the month. I'll get some Mafube until Ilobet and Sibeletu. Which means September, I have almost 16 to 18 services. Chapela Morana just so much so. Now listen to this. Year after year, but they were never able to provide perfect cleansing for those who came to worship. In the tonight, eu timudi samfela maresa utusi. And the years of Hafeza Mahaisebeti. Verse 2. If they could have provided perfect cleansing, listen to that slow, the sacrifice will have stopped. For the worshippers will have been purified once for all time, and their feelings of guilt will have disappeared. He quoted in the early service, one of the dangerous weapons of Satan is guilt. Satan who confesses as long as you guilty, for the rest of your life, because the feeling of guilt. Verse 3. But instead, those sacrifices actually reminded them of their sins. And that is why, Alex, we need to avoid services and like the hope about to kanitsi. Keba hopo tse ka ileng ala ba di tshila bakeng sa bona. Fa khedi ya nnete ko le jwetsa hore ho na le ileng a fedimakwa hore ba fedimakeileng ha ba tshwarana le yena ba hlweke. Ona le tulong tse ding ha o ile mehlena o dula o hopotsa ho a fokola o la hopotsa go di tshila ena ha o kgone o thusala because o qetella o bana le the resisting power. because botho ba hao bo nahana hore wa thekwa wena. But once re feed hore hona la ileng a shwa hore o phele, o swabela ho etsa dibe ka baka la ileng a etswa sebe bakeng sa hao. Now, which means the gospel is to tell you what Jesus has done for you, not what you are doing. And the more you meditate on the finished work of Calvary, the more you meditate that Jesus has paid it all for me, you begin to rise above your weaknesses, you begin to rise above your failures, and you walk in that victory. When the devil comes around, here is the man who has done it for me. Here is the man. I was once lost, but now I am found. This is the gospel. Now listen. For it is not possible, no matter how many times you do it, for the blood of bulls and goats to take away sins. Ha, ho, ho, na, ha, li, ho, rin, to, eli, tlhabetseng yona. Ile hlatswa ho batla el a ileng a hlajwa bakeng sa. But you will remember here the introduction, first introduction here, John the Baptist. It's very important. Alex, ha Jesu a hlaha o reng intate Maluka Johannong bona konyana ya modimo e etsang jwang e tlosang dibe tsa lefatshe. Ho tjho hore konyana ye e tlo lokisa se hlotseng dikonyana tsa lona ne di kwaela dibe tsa lona mara di sa ditlosi. And that is why Satan ona tsiba hore se kwaetswe mara se a tloa. Ona ka phamisa lakane o le pulpiting a o bontsha hore mara wa hopola o laetsa, because the blood of bulls cannot take away the sins. Now verse 5 here, that is why, now listen to this very slow. That is why when Christ came into the world, he said to God, conversation is powerful here. When Christ came to the world, he said to God, what did Christ say to God? You did not want animal sacrifice or sin offering, but you have given me a body to offer. Alex, about to understand this mystery. If Jesus never understood that he was given the body to offer, he will never have allowed the body to be crucified. Ku file mmele o re ha nako ya ka e fitla o tlo fana ka o ska wa hana o fana ka ntho eo la e fuwa o tlo tla fana ka yo. Ha Jesu ana hane ka mmele o ka be ho sena mmele o mande satakaba hauna batho ba nkutlwang ka kereke ke re Jesu hana hanne ka mmele wa nama ho ka be ho sena mmele ona wa moya o bitswang the body of Christ. Because for Jesus to have a body, he was supposed to give a body. tjena se tlo na a tlo natifetse ha ke atla mono to entertain ha ke tlo replace bo maphorisa a bo hopotse bo maphorisa emela lockdown about ba thola online ha ke batla ho hopotsa hore melona ha o ntso o le hantle ha o kgone ho etsa dintho di be hantle mmele wona o tla lokisa fela ha wona o ka senya ntho tse ding tsa hao di ntle haholo ho ntsha batho mathateng. That is why sometimes the outer man must be destroyed so that the inner man must be renewed. Now how hana ka mmele ona o dina ya generation tse di mmele wa la sa ga mene ke a tswela pele ana ke tswela pele utlwa he. You did not want animal sacrifice or sin, but you have given me a body to offer. You were not pleased with burnt offerings. Jesu hutla hahai ineleri mudimu ukhatete ke maleba-leba. That is why ke kwatela kereka e re khutlisetsa di toolbox. Iko ba le re amene kaofela. Iko ba le re amene kaofela. Modimo khathetse gore batho ba tle kerekeng ba jariswe dintho. That is why he said, you have been doing all these things for years, but you remain in sin. But I want to provide a remedy for sin. A remedy for sin. Then, verse 7, I said, look, I have come to do your will, oh God. O bona Jesu lona le mutwa Getsemane. Ntwena o ibuile le hodimo. Like money, o Getsemane o na sa etsetsa lona. I saw Jesu na Daud. I saw Jesu na bata kapu ifite. Kapu for who? Kapu for what? Jesu na tsiba hore ha ke sa tshutjena e tla ga ba fitla Getsemane ya bona ba tla give up. Ne ke batla o ba bontsha hore le nna I was feeling like them, but I already have a commitment. Or I'm going to do your will. Look bolelle. Ha o be matla ha o fitla. O ba matla ha o tloa. Ntho yo o buileng ha o tloa la ba ka o seba o keke wa tloa ho yo. Ai mane ngamene ka o fela ka kereke. Hona le commitment. Jesu bua le hodimo, I'm going there to do your will. Whether ban rata, whether ban seba, whether ban tshwela ka mathe, but I'm going there to do your will. Whether ban kopela matsoho, whether ban kotla ka matsoho, but I'm going there to do your will. That is a commitment of every Christian. One rata, I don't care. But when I do this thing, I do his will. And if God is happy, I continue. Kita di sebab illustration ni mawa, ene ke shebile mawa no. Ona dala polukwane ne dala ba goka. Ne dala ba goka. We a ona ngorile ke na ka misa ka matso. Ngorile le ka offside. Motho na bolo ya Alex iri. O bona motho ale offside. Wa mona yena offside. Mara ha tsi bore ha se qeto ya hae e ditlega motho offside. Ke qeto ya referee. O bona ba sa bana ba nana go ke qeto ya bona. E ditlega batho re ba right ka pa ba ro. Kanti ke qeto ya Modimo. Modimo a ka o tloella o kore ba ntse ba go offside. And I go le ba lata every aya mara ke shebile odimo na ke shebile ka le ke shebile odimo score wena bothata go shebile argument da o sheke score go lo ingotse sesi o kwatile ka pa o kwata o nyetse ngwana batho o tla pompala o lo post o post to load delete mara modimo ha blessitse ha consult ona bothata ba modimo la o kana go tsamaya le ena le nna ke le skete jena ona le batho ba tla ba etsetsa dintho a sa njwetse because ha hloka approval yaka o tlo shwa pele o nako o nana go ntho engwe le ngwe ga ke tlamele fete officing ya hao because batho bono sa ba batle ka ofela ke be ba soka ba hlonolofa ha o no toko wena approver bona ba bang ke be re se ba ruti modimo la tlameha ga itempe o le siko a tseba Jesu la ga utlwa diqifela tsa o utlwa go sia tlang ka monona di kadane mona bukenya Johane Jesu a utlwa topo la ka topo e yona ke topo en half Jesu ke asana na tsotsi tse tsa tsama le tsona tse ba ha usiwa ka fitla ba le teng a usiwa ha no bless ke ba Roma 0 Kita ko ba jaja ba tsama le shopolo lo ka botho bana msadi wa msama ka thola ba ba le teng ba tlo ke mmolae le batho ba bang o yana modimo ba botsa ka wena ka bo sa ithola ke rata fela gore modimo ana etsa motho no sina motho are you following me? Then I've said, look, I've come to do your will, oh God, as it is written about me in the scripture. I'm going to just say that about it. I'm going to say about mangolo a reng ka wena o tshwarwa ke stress o ikopela go modimo nkenye go mangolo a phethagale. Let me face it once and for all. Motho a tseba go modimo reng ka ena a tsaya bo shebana le di challenges because wa tseba go victory ya go e ditlengwe before battle. Hurry. First Christ said, you did not want animal sacrifice or sin offering or burnt offering or other offering for sin, nor were you pleased with them, though they are required by the law. Then he said, look, I have come to do your will. He cancelled the first covenant in order to put the second into effect. For God's will was for us to be made holy by the sacrifice of the body of Jesus Christ once and for all. Verse 11, under the old covenant, the priest stands in the ministers before the altar day after day, offering the same sacrifice again and again, which can never take away sins. But our high priest offered himself. The difference. The priest of the Old Testament, they were offering things. But Jesus offered himself. But to ba kapili ba ne ba kena ba phela ba tlisitse ntwe shwile bona ba phela ba sa tswa madi mara ba tshwere madi mara Jesu yena ha kena o kene a sa tshwara ntho a tshwere yena and ho tswile yena madi because now it was the sign. Satan ma ke tsore ke qala o bona nku ya sehlabelo e ikisetsang sehlabelo Because but Jesus came, entered the place of holiness with his own blood, and it was the sign. Jesus paid it all. Jesus paid it all, and once and for all. Ke na taba go batho ba o tsebela jwa, ha ke na taba go batho ba o bitsa ma, ke batla o etsa phatlalatso le di bitsa gao di